Hi, my name is Amanda Young, and I'm interested in teaching at Dickinson Independent School District. I'm currently in the process of completing my teaching certification, and next year I will graduate with my master's in instructional design and technology. Anyone who has had the opportunity to teach knows just what a difficult task this can be. What can make teaching even harder is a classroom full of bored, unengaged students. Unfortunately, this tends to be the feeling of most children when you mention the topic of history. But using technology in the classroom is a great way to help with enhancing student learning. After researching several ideas on how to successfully implement instructional technology in the classroom, I found many great ideas and have shared a few examples with you here. What would be even a better proposal is to create a curriculum that incorporates technology within it. This way, teachers who have little experience with instructional technology or those who are not very creative could already have a solid foundation. Dickinson ISD already has a strong curriculum in place, along with many great programs. So, working side by side with my fellow 6th grade social studies colleagues would be ideal. I believe that this is the direction of the future.